presenting Brigadier Govind Singh Sisodia, a decorated Indian Army hero and recipient of the Vishisht Seva Medal. With over 35 years of distinguished service, including leadership of the elite NSG Black Cat Commandos during the 26/11 Mumbai attacks and winning over the terrorists, he now joins Ground Zero Defence Academy Dehradun as Director Training. Get ready to learn from a true warrior and mentor dedicated to shaping India's future defenders.
Come.
Good evening, everyone. A warm welcome to Honorable Brigadier Govind Singh Sisodia Vishesh Seva Medal, Dr. Shiv Dadar, Director Sir, all the teachers and my dear fellow mates. It is our privilege to welcome Brigadier Sisodia as Director Training to Ground Zero Defence Academy. It is our great honor that we all would get this opportunity of learning under your guidance. Your distinguished service to our nation is truly commendable. We are fortunate to have as a mentor at Ground Zero Defence Academy. Your teachings would not only guide us in our endeavour for the defence service, but also in becoming a better citizen of the country. We are honoured to have you with us today. Though words would fall short of introduction to such a great personality, I have still managed to mark few lines. Brigadier Govind Singh Sisodia's life is an inspiring tale of courage, discipline and unwearying dedication to the nation. Born in Bharno village of Chopal Tehsil, Shimla district, Himachal Pradesh, his formative years in Mandi and Shimla laid a robust foundation in his future military career. Educated at Vijay Memorial Government High School in Mandi and STB College Shimla, he joined the Indian Army in 1975, commissioned into the esteemed Sikh Regiment. His early military service was marked by distinction and valour, including a significant deployment with the Indian Peacekeeping Force in Sri Lanka in 1987. During this mission against the LTTE militants, he sustained a bullet wound but continued to demonstrate resilience and leadership. Over his 35-year military career, Brigadier Sisodia ascended through ranks, serving pivotal roles such as Deputy Inspector General with the elite National Security Guard (NSG). He was instrumental in training the Black Cat Commandos, renowned for their counter-terrorism expertise. His expertise transcended national boundaries with advanced training in international crisis management and hostage negotiation from Scotland Yard and VVIP security management through the US Department of Homeland Security. These experiences augmented his capacity to handle complex security situations. Brigadier Sisodia's most celebrated contribution was during the 26/11 Mumbai terrorist attack in 2008. As the commander of the NSG Black Cat Operation Black Tornado, he led successful commando missions at the Taj Mahal Palace Hotel and Hotel Trident. Neutralizing terrorists and saving countless lives, his interrogation of captured terrorist Ajmal Kasab in Punjabi was a masterstroke, revealing key details that exposed Pakistan's involvement in the attacks and securing vital evidence for international accountability. After his premature retirement, Brigadier Sisodia continued to serve in the corporate sector with Tata Consultancy Service (TCS) as head of physical security management for 5 years. At present, he provides security consultancy for the Board of Control for Cricket in India (BCCI), elevating security standards, major supporting events. Beyond this, he mentors aspiring defense officers, imparting his invaluable knowledge and inspiring a new generation of patriots.
What's her name?
Settled in Dehradun, Brigadier Sisodia's journey from a young recruit to a decorated soldier, a national hero, and security expert embodies patriotism, valor, and relentless pursuit of excellence, a legacy that remains a beacon of inspiration for India's youth and armed forces alike. he was awarded the Vishisht Seva Medal (VSM) for his distinguished service, an honor befitting in extraordinary career and contributions. This comprehensive account honors the multifaceted life of a soldier who has profoundly impacted India's security landscape through both his military exploits and post-retirement endeavors. Now, I would like to welcome Brigadier Sisodia, who was graciously agreed to share his inspiring experiences and insights with us. Sir, your presence here today is tremendous opportunity for minds to learn from our remarkable journey and achievements. Let us welcome Sir with a huge round of applause.
Okay. तानिया, थैंक यू वेरी मच. वेरी नाइस वर्ड्स, वेरी काइंड वर्ड. मेरे को भी इतना अपने बारे ज़्यादा मालूम नहीं था. यू नो, दे हैव डन लॉट ऑफ रिसर्च. गुड, थैंक्स अ लॉट. थैंक यू सो मच. यू नो व्हाई आई एम हियर विद यू. इट्स माय पैशन. हर एक आदमी का अपना पैशन होता है जिंदगी में. माय पैशन इज टू मोल्ड एंड गाइड यंग जनरेशन. When I say young generation, the students, those particularly who are aspiring for the defense forces, because they are already motivated. कोई आप लोग यहाँ बैठे हैं तो कुछ सोच के आए हैं, am I right? Yes, sir. And you have a dream. I always tell people, dream big, dream big. And when you dream big, you will try and go for your dream. Have your dream, go for your dream. पर ये मुंगेरी लाल के हसीन सपने नहीं होना चाहिए. यू नो व्हाट इज मुंगेरी लाल के हसीन सपने? आप सपनों को जब तक हकीकत में बदलने की कोशिश नहीं करोगे, यू विल नेवर रीच द टॉप. यू आर फ्रॉम ऑल ओवर द कंट्री. एनीबडी फ्रॉम मंडी, हिमाचल प्रदेश? एनीबडी फ्रॉम हिमाचल प्रदेश? या You are from which place? You Chashma. Chashmis, sir.
I'm from
Ambro, and you? Rodu, okay. Where in Solan? Solan बहुत बड़ा है. Solan, proper Solan or away from? Shilai is also in Solan. धर्मपुर तो बड़ा फेमस है. वहां से स्नार को भी रास्ता जाता है. विच प्लेस? ओके. माई सन स्टडीड इन स्नार. माई वाइफ टॉट फॉर फ्यू इयर्स इन स्नार. एंड एनीबडी एल्स फ्रॉम Kullu? My God. I had a very dear friend in Kullu. He was a minister also, son of Raja Kullu. Karan is no more. Okay, sit down. Why I made them, why I was asking them? I had a dream in childhood. I always wanted to be officer in the Indian Army. That dream I carried when I was in 4th, 5th standard. There is a Vijay High School in Mandi, place Mandi. That time, convents, others were at very few places. One day, one of my friend asked me, my pet name is Kaku. He said, "Tu kya banega?" I said, "I'll be officer in the army." He said, "Are you sure?" He said, "Yes." You know why that passion came into me? In our time, I am from that generation, we were very, very small. 62 war happened. India की bashing हुई है, we lost. But the Desh Bhakti was at peak. Then was 65 war, 71 war. These kept adding. We are 4 brothers, 3 joined army. We all 3 were officers in the army. So childhood I carried this, there was motivation in between, like my brothers were motivation. My dream was there. I tried, prepared. I got through in first attempt. When I went for SSB, my chest number was number 1 chest number, and I was one of the youngest to join my batch course. So I carried that dream with me. If you see a dream, you got to go for it. If you don't dream, you will never be able to go. Secondly, I always say those who dream to be in the army, imagine yourself into that frame, that how an army officer looks like, how he conducts, how he behaves. You see, as on today, there are a lot of professions in the country, a lot of money in every profession. Which profession is rated highest in the country? Is the defense forces. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
It is because of the character, because single-minded approach. I hope to see you all becoming officers someday. When you become an officer, whether you are a young officer, you have got minimum 30 people under you, slight is in 100, आपके एक इशारे पे जान देने को तैयार हो जाते हैं. There is no other profession in the world. You go to corporate, और वो अपनी टीम को ले जाके मरने के लिए तैयार हो जाओ, बोलेगा तू मर जा, तू भाग जा. That is because you have been given the responsibility. You have a character. You have a passion. You have a passion to serve the nation. I am very certain most of you, almost all of you, have been attracted towards the army or the air force is not because of the money. It is the image which country has got about the defense forces. You want to be at that place. That's why you're here. पर चांद पे जाओगे तो रॉकेट पे तो बैठना पड़ेगा. आप बैठे बैठे तो नहीं चल सकते, सीढ़ी चढ़ूंगा चढ़ूंगा चढ़ूंगा, कभी ना कभी पहुंचूंगा. आपको अपने आप को रॉकेट पे डालना पड़ेगा ताकि रॉकेट फायर हुआ सीधे चांद पे पहुंचा. तो रॉकेट पे जाने के लिए आपको अपने में फ्यूल डालना पड़ेगा. यू नो फ्यूल. जब फ्यूल होगा तभी चार्ज होगा, तभी स्पीड पकड़ेगा, तभी ऊपर जाएगा. अगर आप अपने आप में वो फ्यूल डालते हैं, कॉन्स्टेंटली मेहनत करते हैं, ओनली देन यू विल रीच. इट इज इमटेरियल. यू कम फ्रॉम विच बैकग्राउंड, इट इज इमटेरियल. चाहे आप सुपर रिच हैं या फ्रॉम ए वेरी हाई स्कूल. नॉट दैट चिल्ड्रन डू नॉट कम फ्रॉम हाई स्कूल, but that time they don't make it. It is not that you speak flowery English. You understand flowery? Well, impress wali, hi guys, that kind of a timing. Army is looking for a yes gentleman. You conduct yourself. आप ये नहीं सोचो कि भी मैं बहुत अच्छे स्कूल में पढ़ा हूं, मैं इंडियन आर्मी में कामयाब हो जाऊंगा. There are certain qualities which you must have. अगर आप इमेजिन करते हो अपने को उस फ्रेम में कि ये फ्रेम ऑफिसर्स का है, आई फिट इन टू दैट, आप तब मेहनत करना शुरू करोगे. आपको एक छोटा सा एग्जांपल देता हूं मैं. माई वाइफ यूज्ड टू रन इंस्टीट्यूट इन दिल्ली. There was a girl came. She was working in the IT sector, Genpact, from a Marwadi family. She used to she used to work in the corporate sector till 2 o'clock, morning shift, early morning shift. Anyone from Noida, Delhi and all? So, she used to come from 62 sector Noida, Vikram type पकड़ के she used to come to metro station, फ्रॉम मेट्रो स्टेशन शी यूज्ड टू कैच ए मेट्रो अप टू 15 सेक्टर, वहां से पैदल चल के आती दिल्ली की गर्मी में. शी हैड ए पैशन इन हर. In my wife's institute, there was a poster. In that poster, there was a girl of Air Force officer in uniform. She told my wife, "Ki ma'am, I want to take this poster with me." He said, "Why?" He said, "I'll put this picture frame right in front of my bed when I get up." She was taking a PG. I should see that photo first, immediately, and I should imagine that I am there. I am Priya Poddar. Her name was Priya Poddar. That was in her mind. When I said you've seen a frame, she used to walk दिल्ली की गर्मी में, नोएडा की. Every Saturday she used to take notebook of one of the brilliant students. Take that notebook. That boy used to make good notes. Copy those notes on a Sunday and used to return. Subhas Pokhriyal was that boy. Both got through. When she got through in SSB, nobody believed that she'll get through in her office. But we knew that Priya will make it. Because she generated that faith in my wife and her team that she has a passion. She is working for it. At any stage she would have given up. कि यार इतनी गर्मी में चल रही हूं, मैं पैदल चल रही हूं, इतना क्या हूं. अगर आप में वो पैशन है कि मैंने वहां पहुंचना है, उस पिक्चर में वर्दी किसी और की पर चेहरा मेरा है, you will reach. Secondly, she used to have a lot of doubts. She used to ask. As a student, any time you have a doubt, you must ask your teacher. You must ask your instructors. कोई अंतर्यामी तो है नहीं. आपके टीचर अंतर्यामी तो नहीं है ना? You understand what is अंतर्यामी? सब जानते हैं? वो आपके अंतर्यामी तो नहीं करेगा कि आपको ये डाउट है. Ask your doubt. Let teacher get fed up, but clarify your doubt. Never know, a small doubt might be the biggest doubt. Has the teacher knowing that तुम्हारे दिमाग में क्या? Teacher, they feel very happy when children ask student, they say this boy is taking interest. अगर आप इंटरेस्ट नहीं करोगे या सोचोगे मैं सब जानता हूं तो मुश्किल. Then second is to maintain a momentum. Many times you will feel यार ये बड़ी लंबी रेस है. लंबी रेस जो है, लंबी रेस का घोड़ा जीतता है, टट्टू तो नहीं जीतता. यू अंडरस्टैंड? टट्टू मतलब घोड़े, गधे. आप गधे तो हो नहीं, आप रेस के घोड़े हो और लंबी रेस के घोड़े हो. तो आपको अपनी स्पीड मेंटेन रखनी है. एनीवन एथलीट जो 800 मीटर, 1500 मीटर या 5000 or 10,000 they run. When you run with the planning. You run with the planning. When you run 400 meters, you run that I'm going to run faster for 150 meters. Little slow down, then again rush 150 meters. Same way 800. अगर आप शुरू में स्पीड पकड़ लोगे और बीच में मेंटेन नहीं कर पाओगे, दिक्कत होगी. या आप लंबी रेस के हैं, आपने प्लानिंग नहीं किया है, आपको अपने स्टैमिना के साथ मोमेंटम मेंटेन करना है. यू आर फॉर द फाउंडेशन कोर्स, यू हैव टू मेंटेन योर मोमेंटम, दैट एंड तक दौड़ते जाना है. एंड एक बार बैठ गए तो फिर बैठ गए, वो कभी नहीं होना चाहिए. दूसरा, अब मैं मिलता रहूंगा आप लोगों से, आपको अपने कुछ किस्से भी बताऊंगा कि भी क्या होता है, बट दैट इज ओनली if you have a leadership quality. Leadership quality, how you, जब आप में capability, when you become officers, when you go to unit, every soldier is looking towards you. कि जो ऑफिसर बोल रहा है ये सही बोल रहा है. आप तभी बोल पाओगे अगर आपके पास नॉलेज है, आपने मेहनत की है, स्टडी की है. वो लड़ाई में तभी अपनी जान देगा जब उसको आप पे भरोसा है, आपकी कैपेबिलिटी पे भरोसा है. इंडियन आर्मी, इंडियन एयरफोर्स आप लोगों को तभी लेगी जब आपको अपने में भरोसा होगा. Until you have a faith, you have to create self faith कि मैं कर सकता हूं. मैंने बहुत बच्चे देखे, लोग सोचते ये नहीं कर पाएगा और उसमें वो पैशन तो वो करके दिखाता. जो ओवर कॉन्फिडेंट होता है वो नहीं निकलते देखे. मैंने बहुत बच्चे देखे, बहुत बच्चे. यू कांट इमेजिन हाउ मेनी आई हैव सीन. सो आई वांट यू पीपल टू हैव इन योर पैशन, और माइंड में एक पिक्चर होनी चाहिए कि मैं उधर हूं, आर्मी में हूं, एयरफोर्स में हूं, मैं पायलट हूं. आज के बाद ये दिमाग में सोच के चलो कि मैंने वहां पहुंचना है. अगर वो नहीं है बेटे तो आप टाइम वेस्ट कर रहे हो. एनडीए में बहुत बच्चे अपीयर होते हैं निकलते कौन है? ये नहीं कि दूर स्कूल का बच्चा निकला या सुनार का निकला या यहां का निकला. बच्चे जो निकलते हैं, लेट मी टेल यू वेरी फ्रैंकली, एनालिसिस की है, नॉर्मल फैमिली के, मिडिल क्लास और साधारण फैमिली के बच्चे निकलते हैं. क्यों निकलते हैं? उनमें फायर होती है, आग होती है कि हमने वहां पहुंचना है. अगर आप में आग है, आपने ब्राइट फ्यूचर देखना है, आप ये फाउंडेशन के टाइम मेहनत करोगे तभी आपकी जो जज्बा है वो निकल पाएगा. अगर आप अपने में वो आग नहीं पैदा करोगे तो मुश्किल हो जाएगा. अब पैदा करो कि मैंने these 2 years are going to be tough for me, after 2 years life is going to be comfortable. जब आप एनडीए जाओगे you are settled as a +2. Government takes care of everything of yours. Good training, good food, and after some time during your training last leg you start getting pay. आप इंजीनियरिंग के लिए जाते हो, आपके माँ बाप पैसा खर्चते हैं. 4 साल 5 साल इंजीनियरिंग की, 5 साल एमबीबीएस की, इंटर्नशिप की. या आपको सिर्फ 2 साल मेहनत करनी है, ओनली 2 years. डॉक्टर 5 से 7 साल करता है, इंजीनियर भी 4-5 साल, उसके बाद वो गेट करता है, बाकी करता है. बच्चे कॉलेज आते हैं, ग्रेजुएट इज लाइक ए 10th क्लास. जो हमारे टाइम में 10th क्लास का चलता था, ग्रेजुएट इज दैट. यू हैव टू डू पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन. आपको 2 साल और पढ़ना है, 4 और 2 6 साल और पढ़ना है. फिर उसके बाद अपने एग्जाम की तैयारी करनी है. तो सोच लो आप 7 से 8 साल बाद कहीं निकलोगे या एनडीए में, या जो एफपैट के लिए आए, इसके आए, ये जो तैयारी कर रहे हैं एनडीए वाले, 1 साल 2 साल की तैयारी कर रहे हैं, उनको आगे 4-6 साल पढ़ाई की उतनी करनी नहीं है. कोई एफपैट में जा रहा है, अभी निकल गया, इट डजंट हैव टू वरी अबाउट फ्यूचर. तो गो कि 2 साल जो है, मैं आगे के 6 साल मैं नहीं टाइम वेस्ट करना चाहता. पूरा टाइम जो आगे 6 साल में अगर जाऊंगा, आगे कॉलेज जाऊंगा, ये करूंगा, वो नहीं करना मेरे को. ये 2 साल करने हैं. अब आगे भी कहां एडमिशन लेते हो उस पर डिपेंड करता है कौन से कॉलेज में लेते हो. डीएवी में लोगे तो यहाँ डीएवी कॉलेज का नाम सुना है? यहाँ जुलूस ही निकलते रहते हैं, इलेक्शन ही होते रहते हैं, नंबर आते नहीं. नंबर नहीं आते, बाकी एग्जाम में अपेयर होते हैं, नहीं कर पाते, क्योंकि कंपटीशन की तैयारी नहीं की होती ना उन कॉलेज में. जब तक आप कंपटीशन की तैयारी नहीं करोगे तब तक नहीं निकलोगे. ये 2 साल मेहनत कर लो, जिंदगी भर ऐश करोगे. 2 साल मेहनत नहीं करोगे, 2 साल के बाद 6 साल और रगड़े खाओगे. तो ये सोच कर 2 साल है एंड आई एम गोइंग टू बी देयर इन इंडियन आर्मी और इंडियन एयरफोर्स और इंडियन नेवी. एक पहले बहुत बड़ा पोस्टर आता था इंडियन आर्मी का, वो लगा होता था, उसमें लिखा होता था डू यू हैव इट इन यू। किसी ने देखा पोस्टर? नहीं। डू यू हैव इट इन यू? सेम थिंग आई एम आस्किंग यू, डू यू हैव इट इन यू टू पुट इन एफर्ट फॉर नेक्स्ट 1 or 2 years? कुछ लोग अभी सोच ही रहे हैं कि क्या सवाल पूछा सर ने। Am I right? So if you have it in you, you will succeed. If you don't have it in you, produce करो। I'll finish my talk, but I'll tell you one thing. जब बच्चे फाइनल एसएसबी में जाते हैं, एक फैक्टर सिलेक्टर जो एक फैक्टर देख के चलता है, दैट्स कॉल्ड ट्रेनेबिलिटी, कि ये जो आया है हमारे पास इंटरव्यू में, इसके ट्रेनेबिलिटी फैक्टर है या नहीं। वो कैसे? आपका अगर 0 लेवल है, 0 से ऊपर जाना आसान है। अगर आपका माइनस है, आपको पहले माइनस लेवल से 0 पे लाना पड़ेगा, 0 से ऊपर जाना पड़ेगा। सो डोंट हैव दैट माइनस वाला फैक्टर इन योर माइंड, नेगेटिव फैक्टर। वो भी उस सिलेक्शन देख लें, नेगेटिव फैक्टर आप नहीं निकलोगे, आपको सिलेक्ट नहीं करेंगे। ये सोच के चलोगे मैंने निकलना ही। अगर आप ये सोचोगे कि मैं निकलूं या शायद पास हूं या ना हूं, जैसे नेगेटिव फैक्टर, आप माइनस में जा रहे हो, कभी भी नहीं निकलोगे, कहीं भी नहीं निकलोगे। हैव दैट एटीट्यूड इन यू, इट्स इन मी, आई हैव इट इन मी, मैं निकलूंगा। आप ये सोच के करोगे, मेहनत करोगे, गॉड विलिंग विल बी सीइंग यू एज ए फ्यूचर ऑफिसर ऑफ द आर्मी, एंड वी माइट सी, कल को अगर लड़ाई होती है, कोई एक बहुत बड़ा योद्धा तो आप में से कोई नजर आएगा जिसका लोग नाम लेंगे। आप में से ही कोई परमवीर चक्र होगा, कोई महावीर चक्र होगा। किसी को शायद चक्कर ना मिले, पर उसके सोल्जर की जो उसके लिए रिस्पेक्ट होगी, वो आपका सबसे बड़ा तोहफा होगा। इमेजिन योरसेल्फ टू बी द लीडर ऑफ मैन, प्राउड ऑफ द नेशन। आप में क्वालिटी करो, पैदा करो कि कंट्री हैज ए फेथ इन यू, ट्रस्ट इन यू, गो फॉर इट। यू हैव इट इन यू? God, now I am impressed. So all the very best.
Thank you, sir, for your inspiring words and for taking time to share your experiences with us. We have another great personality among us, Dr. Shiv Kumar Dadar. His journey in digital marketing is marked by dedication, expertise, and academic distinction. He began with an MBA in International Business from the University of Lucknow, gaining foundational business knowledge. Early roles in sales and marketing nurtured his understanding of customer behavior and market trends. In 2019, he took on the role of Managing Director and CEO at Metasoft AI Technologies, Dehradun, where he leads digital marketing and AI-powered brand solution for over 275 MSME brands. Dr. Dadar also has created successful digital brands like Brand Bhasha and Digitima. His Google and Meta certifications underscore his proficiency in cutting-edge digital marketing practices. Dr. Dadar's academic contributions are significant. For over 7 years, he served as a professor and corporate trainer at Government Doon University, integrating practical digital marketing strategies into academia and training over 1,000 professionals. His pursuit of knowledge and impact in digital marketing earned him an honorary PhD from Washington Digital University, USA, recognizing his exceptional professional work in the field. He also holds an academic PhD from Duster Business School, Switzerland, for his research on the impact of digital marketing on MSMEs in North India. Dr. Dadar champions the philosophy that digital marketing is about fostering meaningful consumer brands, relationship powered by technology and strategy. His ongoing work continues to innovate AI driven marketing solutions, positioning him as an influential figure shaping the growth of digital marketing in India and beyond. Now, I would like to welcome Dr. Shiv Kumar Dadar to please come up and deliver a vote of thanks.
So thank you so much for giving me this opportunity, and I again welcome Brigadier Sisodia sir
Thank you so much.
to be part of the Ground Zero Defense Academy, and it's a moment of pride and privilege for all of us to have him here, because he has served the country with a lot of valor in his belly, and you might be knowing that he has countered that terrorist attack on Taj, right, where Major Sandeep Unnikrishnan, and he was a martyr in that particular operation. So he is an icon in defense services, and one thing he said that you should not have the negativity. So I have only, before I extend a word of thanks, I want to give you one advice, only single advice, and that is, an officer is someone who is not influenced by others. Officer is someone who influences others. Means you are not influenced by your colleague. If your colleague says ye hoga nahi, so you are not influenced by him. Rather, by looking at you, he should say that hoga. So you should be yourself only, not influenced by what others are doing in the batch. Now suppose if there are 200 students out here, you are not influenced by 199 students. You are not influenced by 10 lakh students who are appearing in NDA. You are influenced by yourself only. So if you are that person, you will make to NDA, no doubt about it. Because you don't listen anybody, you only listen yourself. The moment you start listening to yourself, you will definitely know what is right and wrong and how many hours you have to dedicate in getting through the end examination. So don't get influenced by what others are doing. Influence others by your act. So this is the only advice. So if you listen to yourself and just be yourself for the next 2 years, just be yourself, because the whole nation is looking at you. You people are the future of India. You people are the future of Indian security. You people are the future of Indian Defence Forces. And under the chairmanship of Sehgal sir, he's such a passionate teacher. He has created this whole academy out of his passion, and his passion reflects into everything. Every minute thing which is happening at the academy is a reflection of his passion, dedication and commitment for you people. So it's time for you to give him back and let each and every you get selected, each and every you. So let's have 200 officers to Indian Defence Forces from this academy this year or the next year. But be yourself and don't get influenced by whatever is happening. Just focus 2 years on yourself. Just yourself, nothing else. Then there will be no negativity and you will shine like a star. And sir, thank you so much for sharing with us your words of wisdom.
Thank you.
And I think the students are definitely motivated by your words, the way you have explained what need to be done, what need not to be done. Do's and don'ts, they matter a lot when you are, gunning for something big in your life. So he has given an excellent words of wisdom, and he'll be keep interacting by his, auspicious presence out here at Ground Zero Defense Academy, on and off. So you will be more interacting, listening to more stories of defense, more ways to focus yourself, because 2 साल एक बड़ा टर्म होता है, और सर की जैसी अगर हमें अटेंशन मिलेगी, डेफिनेटली आप लोग सक्सेसफुल होंगे. So thank you so much and be successful. Thank you so much, sir, for being here.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir, for your inspiring words. A huge thanks to esteemed Brigadier Sisodia for inspiring us with your remarkable journey and sharing valuable insights with us. Your presence has truly enriched our gathering. Thank you, Dr. Dadar, for adding depth to our understanding of Brigadier Sisodia's achievements. And to all our students, faculty, and guests, thank you for being part of this special event. Your participation and enthusiasm made it truly special. Thank you for us.
Before we stand for national anthem, whenever I have got a bad habit. I don't sit on a chair. Generally, I like to sit on a table. Okay. Whenever I call somebody or somebody meets me, I want only first interaction, first, second, third. जब भी मिलो, you'll always say, I have and I will. I have it in me. I said, do you have it in you? The short form like, I have. And next, I will succeed. Right? So whenever you meet me, what will you say? I have and I will. Okay? And I'm very sure you will. All the very best.
अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उज्ज्वल जल सितरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाए सब जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Thank you. Thank you.